G'day and welcome back to the Weedy Garden. This episode, it's for photographers. See, it was just about to pour down with rain, and I was a bit worried that I was going to lose my sweaty bamboo teepee, so I wanted to get a time-lapse photo of it. But first, my checklist. I need a bit of gear. I need my Canon, my 14 to 24mm lens, a tripod, make sure I've got plenty of batteries, and my sync cable for my flash, and memory card. And I need my flash battery pack, my flash head.
And I need 2 star pickets to hammer into the ground beside the tripod to make sure they're stable.
So it's right to go. I just got to get my umbrella. And then I've got to pack it all together and head down the hill. So it's been raining for a couple of days now. So every time it rains a heavy downpour, the creek comes up. So we want to try and capture that with all my gear. Go up and down the hill again. My car can't go up here at the moment, even though if I had four-wheel drive it still can't get up and down because it's way too slippery. It's just a little reminder of how much water is coming in here. All that mountain area, all up there, and it goes up behind there as well. All the rain that comes down there goes down the creek here. So I'll just show you what it looks like just down the path as we walk down the hill. You can hear the creek starting to make a roar. That's bad news. Ooh, it smells burnt because it just went boom. So I think the cable was a bit wet. Everything's fogging up. I don't know if you can see through there. Can you see the shot? The whole thing's just fogged up. Whew. Right here in the direct sunlight after it's been raining, it's really humid, so everything's fogging up, so I can't get that shot right now. What I should do is I'll go up to the garden and get that post, where I'll put my umbrella on. So I'm heading back up the hill, almost at the top of the hill. Getting a good old sweat up again. Even worse when it's so humid. But I just busted one of my lights. I'm not quite sure what's wrong with it, but some water got in it, so I'm just going up the hill and down the hill to the house to get another flash. Just sort of making this video to show you how much effort you have to put into a picture sometimes, you know. Whew. Yeah, you can hear that thunder in the background. Hurry up because it's going to rain soon, so I didn't cover my gear up down the creek there. Just heard a bit of thunder. Looks like it might rain again. It's starting to rain again, so I've got to keep going. So I think I'll put in the peg first and get the umbrella up. So the flash is going off at about F10 in this area. Flash gear is packed nicely in. Got an extra battery pack here charging the GoPro. So I'll just start the remoter here, just do a test picture. So that's what it looks like. So the water comes down here and it gets too much, it might knock over my tripod, so I've got some stones on my tripod. So a plastic bag on here to keep the rain off my flash. Flash covered up, camera's covered up, I'm pretty happy with that setup there. I'll come back tomorrow morning now and see what it looks like. Pretty exciting to see how it's going to look, I reckon. A lot of work. I've probably used 4 or 5 hours on that now. Going up and down the hill and getting a new flash and all that. Okay. So I'm heading up the hill again, and it just really pelted down before. It looks like it's going to pelt down again any second over there. So I'm a little bit worried about the camera, but one more trip. Oh, look at the water just lapping up there in front of the sweat lodge. Oh, and more water. More water's come up since I came down here. Check it out. Ah, there was the flash that just went off. Oh, it's really powering. This is totally flooding, guys. So back down to the creek again. Still raining. Should flash any second now. There we go. Whew, that was close. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you later.